Take a ride in the 2014 Toyota Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable mid-size car. Reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, cruise control, front-wheel drive, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, bucket seats, CD player, fog lamps, trip computer. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.